welcome back. I'm taking a risk. I wanted to do something different, and I figured why not try these clip-ins that I've been just having stashed in my cabinet. I don't know, this could be a bust, and it's a bust, but we'll see. If you're seeing this, more than likely, it wasn't a total bust. So let's get into it. I'm going to attempt to do this half up, half down. I'm probably gonna finish parting this off camera just so I could see what I'm doing. I'm trying to decide if I'm doing a high pony or a low pony. I don't know. I am truly nervous. Out of my mind. Not out of my mind. Let me not speak that. But I'm nervous because I want this to be cute, and I know it has potential to be cute. And if it was dyed, I wouldn't have a problem. But we're gonna work with what we got. Make a way out of no way. The camera's over here. Make a way out of no way. I'm back. All right, so my hair is parted, nothing too wild. It ain't perfect, but it's really good. It's good enough. So I'm going to braid the back of my hair in about four to five scalp braids. I do not braid my own hair. That is something I taught myself to do in high school, and I've gotten better. I don't do it often, but if I wanted to give myself some braids, feed ins, all that, I could, but I don't because it takes too much time. I'll pay somebody else to do it. I'm blessed to be able to do that. Amen. My braids are not going to be neat in the back. This is not one of those times where I care about that. Okay, I am back. I just finished braiding my hair. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 braids, but I did connect 2 of them in the back. I'm gonna turn around and let you see. Now, I told y'all before that I was not intentionally making my parts straight. So don't come up on here talking about your stuff ain't straight. I know, I don't care because it's gonna be covered. That's a preference. If you want perfect parts, great. That's not a #1 concern for me right now. So this is the back, all braided up. Like I said, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I get it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. Anywho, so what I'm going to do is actually braid these up. I could sew them in. I'm not doing all that. It's not that deep. So I'm going to do one big braid, and I'm just going to pin it up in the back. That took way longer than it needed to. Anyway, here it is pinned up. I don't even know how to look. Let me look too. Okay, so we got it pinned up. We're gonna try to install these clip-ins first, and then I'll worry about the top. Okay. So I've been watching YouTube videos, and what I've seen is I need to make sure, that I'm installing them on a curve so I don't have to worry about my hair being out. So This is a Kinky Curly texture. It does have some shine. It is damp because I did wash them before I'm installing them. And this is a construction of the clip-in. These are supposed to be their seamless version. I'm gonna go ahead and open these clips. If this turns out right, y'all, game changer. So I've seen people start at an angle.
So real quick, I realized I've never said the name of the company where I got the clip-ins from. They are from Go Sleek Hair, and it is their 20-inch Kinky Curly set. I got 2 packs, and like I said, they're great. The clip-ins are great. I'm struggling a little bit just trying to get this first set on, but keep the video going and you'll see where we end up.
Sure. There we go. The only issue is I have a big head. And so, oh, these curls are so pretty. I'm probably gonna have to alternate from which side I start on so we can offer the same consistency. I have hope. This color is weird on me now because I'm so used to my lighter hair. So that's throwing me off a little bit.
So I'm just speeding through this process. I just finished putting in the clip-ins. They were actually pretty easy to install once you get the hang of it. Yeah, it was pretty basic. I think the biggest thing for me was trying to make sure I was laying them in a way where the tracks would be covered, but I was giving it enough space so it wasn't too bulky, and that when I make my ponytail, I don't have to worry about it just not being totally seamless. And I knew I took a risk on this style, but I'm really actually glad that I did it. But you'll see where there's a little conundrum that happens. But keep watching, and if you haven't already, feel free to give this video a like and then comment and subscribe for more.
So you know the hair is good, of good quality, because this is the hair with no product, okay? This is just water and the curls are already so defined. That's what you want. At least that's what I want. If that's not what you want, that's your business. But this is what I want. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to try the curly hair or I'm just gonna straighten it. I think I'm gonna start with the curly hair and then maybe straighten it later on in the week. All right, y'all. This is how we're looking. It looks full. The top look a little crazy. And it would be better if my hair color obviously matched this, so I could just put a sliver up here. But the goal is that we create a ponytail in such a way where we ain't got to worry about all that. So what I'm going to do is pull this back. So wild because my hair has grown out so much that when I put my hair into a ponytail, it's in a way, oh yeah, this side is so much better. I can tell, look at that. It's gonna be way easier to let me see something. I'm gonna find somebody to dye these bad boys, because I can always dye them back when my color grows back, but I need, that's gonna mess me up. I'll figure it out. We gonna make this work. Okay, so what I realized is that the Miche gel that I use for my wash and go, I've made a short on it. You can go back through my videos. It is a great slicker down of ponytails. Okay, when I tell you like slick. So that's what I'm going to use today. I don't do slick backs often, only because it's just a little bit too much tension on my, for me, and I don't want that. I don't know if you can tell, I used to wear like half wigs. Maybe I regret it because the way my edges be just right here, like that's where the combs were, which is another reason why I don't do a lot of combs in my hair, because it can snatch. It's not that bad, but I want my edges, y'all. Trying to tell y'all, this gel got your sister all the way together. So in order to do this ponytail, and I may have needed to use a different scrunchie, but we're gonna see. If I need to, I'll take it out. I'm just gonna break this up. So I got options. I either put this in a bun and then put it in a bun and then just wrap the hair around. But I kind of want it to just fall. Got my braid. I'm doing all the things I don't usually do, but I I'm seeing the potential of this style, and I'm all in, I'm all in, I'm all in.
So let me explain to you all what's going on right now. So basically, I did not get footage of me wrapping these clip-ins around my ponytail. But what I was trying to do was kind of like an illusion ponytail. And I got to the top and I just got discouraged. No, it was not a finished product. Yes, I was going to take some hair from the bottom, wrap it around, make it look cute, da 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 da. But you will see that in the back, when I turn around, you can still see like parts of my blonde because the hair is not like wrapped around tightly. If it were just a track, like a weft track, it was not going to give what it needed to give if I was just going to wear a ponytail down like that. I hope that makes sense. But you see the potential. And what I'll probably do in the future is just get just some track hair and do my ponytail that way. And then this would have been like flawless. I would have had no issue. But because of the clip-ins and the lack of flexibility with the clip-ins and my hair being colored the way that it is, I'm sorry y'all, my kid is in the back going crazy. That's why it didn't work out the way that it did. So I did have to finesse this. I did. But you see back there, like you could see some of the tracks, and if I moved it or even if I curled it, it wouldn't look right. But what I do know how to do is pivot. So I pivoted, and you'll see in a little bit what that looks like.
Let me be back and figure out what I'm gonna do. But y'all see it, it's gonna be cute. Like it's there. All my life I had to fight. This may not last more than 2 days. I had to do too much to get this. And I may play around with it later. But this is cute, girl. But the things I had to do, you will never know because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But basically, I did take some of the clips off of here, wrap them around, and finesse the back. For the most part. I don't know, I'm gonna style it and see if it works. Basically, if it don't look right in the morning, I'm gonna take it down before I go to work and just put my hair in a ponytail. I don't have time. And I'll try again.
You know what? Sometimes you just gotta believe in yourself. I finessed that little top bun. And don't get me wrong, like the big one was cute too, but I just wanted it a little bit more tamed for the week, and it actually turned out pretty nice. I wore this to work for a week. I actually did a performance with this hair, so it's a win for me. I would do it again, but I was on the struggle bus at first, but we made it work. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. Be blessed. Stay blessed.